the love of God. What is the sound? Isn't it thrilling? Yes. How about diving in to explore it? Hello everyone, and welcome to Moto Auto Trends. Today we're diving into the all-new Triumph Scrambler 400X. This remarkable model combines classic British style with a modern edge, making it a strong contender for fans of retro motorcycles. Let's explore every detail of this stunning bike together. Features of the Triumph Scrambler 400X. Engine and performance. The Scrambler 400X is powered by a 398cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, delivering 39.5 horsepower and 37.5 newton-meters of torque. Designed with Triumph's signature DNA, this engine offers a blend of power and smooth performance, ideal for both city rides and off-road adventures. The 6-speed manual transmission further enhances its performance, providing a thrilling riding experience. Chassis and suspension. Built on a robust tubular steel frame, the Scrambler 400X is equipped with an adjustable suspension system designed for long rides and challenging terrains. At the front, it features 43mm USD forks, while the rear sports a monoshock absorber. With 150mm of suspension travel, it's ready to tackle off-road conditions effortlessly. Wheels and brakes. The bike rolls on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, offering excellent grip and a retro aesthetic. Its Brembo BY Bree braking system, paired with dual-channel ABS, ensures strong and reliable stopping power, enhancing both safety and performance. Design. The Scrambler 400X embodies the classic Scrambler design with a modern twist. From the round LED headlight to the retro fuel tank and high-mounted exhaust pipe, every detail reflects Triumph's timeless British heritage. The Asset 835mm seat height caters to a wide range of riders. Technology features: full LED lighting for better visibility and style, a digital LCD display providing key ride information such as speed and fuel levels, traction control system, TCS for added safety, ride modes, easily switch between road and off-road modes for a tailored riding experience. Pros and cons. Pros: elegant retro modern design, lightweight and agile, suitable for both urban and off-road use. Impressive braking performance. Fuel-efficient engine. Cons: the 835mm seat height might be challenging for shorter riders. The digital display offers limited data compared to some competitors. Single-cylinder engine might not appeal to fans of twin-cylinder setups. Price and competition. The Triumph Scrambler 400X is priced around €5,000 to €5,500 in Europe. In this segment, it competes with models like the Royal Enfield Himalayan and the KTM 390 Adventure. While the Scrambler 400X stands out with its premium design and brand prestige, its price might be a key factor for potential buyers when compared to its rivals. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Triumph Scrambler 400X. If you're a fan of retro style with a modern twist, this bike could be your perfect match. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Ride safe and take care. And finally, I leave you with this incredible engine sound.